Why did I hesitate? Well, because giving isn't always easy. At the end of episode 7, I showed a section of my neighbor's yard where we had removed the grass and put leaves in as a mulch, but there were no plants. In this episode, we continue the rewilding of my neighbor's yard. Merry Christmas! When we think about giving gifts, we often think about what we can buy with money.
Well, it's fall. Well, actually, it's winter here in Texas. And so we need to go back to the spring. My neighbor's been really patient with me, but it's time for me to start planting. So in anticipation of transplanting today, I watered a lot of plants that I'm going to move just to help them make the transition.
I dug all the holes, anticipating to plant the goldenrod and fall obedient closest to the fence. Greg's mistflower is a shorter plant, so I wanted to make sure it was up front.
First plant. Sorry, you're fine.
I have to admit that I'm having very strange emotions taking plants out of my garden and giving them away when my garden isn't even full. But yeah, it's just one of the sacrifices I think we need to make to encourage others to rewild. There you go, little plant. So I did have an experience that helped me understand how I really should feel when giving away plants.
A very kind lady on Facebook group for native plants has offered free plants, and I'm going to head down there and pick up a few. Got some buckets, a couple different shovels, clippers, bucket for watering, and some dirt to replace where I take out the plants. So we'll see how this goes.
I wish I would have taken a video of meeting Kelly and the grace she had in showing me the joy of giving away plants. Kelly gave me these yesterday. This is inland sea oats, and then a bucket of other plants, including asters and spiderwort. And so I want to get those in the ground. I learned something new yesterday, and that's when transplanting, dig them out, put them in a bucket, add a little bit of water. It doesn't require as much dirt, and they seem to be doing great, so I do want to get those in the ground today. And then Nature's Way Resources came through for me. These are little blue stem grasses. I've been lacking, I'll say, grasses in my garden, and they're very important for wildlife, so I want to get some of those in, and I better get started.
I don't know about you, but when people say yes to nature, I get all jacked up. Or maybe that's just the coffee.
In was thrilled with the success of her rewilded garden in the first summer. The reward? She asked me to help add an additional rewilded section to her yard. We talked about how much more she wanted to rewild. I moved the metal edging to reflect what she had outlined. With a larger rewilded area, I asked if she would like a stone path through her garden. Of course she wanted a path. I worked to find remnant stepping stones at Nature's Way Resources. I will also add additional accent rocks when I find them. I am excited to see how Ing's vision of the garden evolves and how far the path will travel into the future. In purchased some native plants, but she was shocked how many plants would be needed to fill in the garden. I will help by transplanting additional plants from my garden to supplement the plants she purchased.
I learned it's not about my garden. It's about supporting others in their rewilding journey with the resources I have: time, plants, and knowledge.
Kelly, thank you for helping me understand the true nature of giving. Till the next time we're together, drink lots of coffee, support your neighbors and wildlife around your home, and take care.